Okay, so what is this exactly? Well, this can be called a menu or a navigation. Even though these don't look like links, the structure makes it clear that we should be able to click on them and go to other parts of the site. So ultimately, these will be links. Now, if you've done this before, you might see this and also see that perhaps this should be structured as a list in your HTML. And that's fine, but we're going to take a different approach here and just use links, because I've recently learned that with screen readers, lists usually have different meanings, and it's harder to navigate through the links if they're in a list. Now, you're going to run into a lot of tutorials and a lot of libraries that structure navigation as lists, but this is the article that convinced me that maybe it wasn't such a good idea. So it's on befreemore.blogspot.com, and you can do a search for web accessibility with Reinhard Stebner. The fellow that you see here is blind, and he's presenting about what it's like to navigate the web using screen readers. One of the things that was kind of interesting was that he suggested that navigation should be made with divs and spans and not lists. So this is a good read if you get a chance to take a look through it, but for that reason, we're not going to use lists here.